Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My names are Mama Glow, and I am here, yes, to welcome you in my channel. And please watch, subscribe, and like my video. And please share it with others. Yes, thank you for this wonderful day that God has given us. Yeah, because to me, I'm thanking God because He has given me health. Health is more important. He has given us rain, and it has been raining. And we should not complain, because if you look at most of the flood that is going on now, even in Kenya, we are the ones who have caused it. Yes, because for reasons that are known to ourselves, we had even from riparian areas, from where the water drains to. Yeah, you bought it without knowing it. You did a good thing because you wanted to develop yourself. But the one selling it to you had a reason. So you ended up buying land in a wrong place. Now you are the victim of the flood. And it is a very sorry state that we see houses sinking. Yeah? Sinking up to the rooftop. And now they are telling you to move away. You are moving away to where? My dear fellow brethren. Until we very unfair. Yeah, because of self-seeking. Now, where are these people going to go? Huh? And will, even if they want to vacate that land, or even to leave it completely, where will they get the money from? You see, these people are still paying loans. They bought them through mortgage and through the bank. Now, they cannot go get the money back. Surely. What remedy will these people get? And where are they going to go? Let's question here, brothers. It's very pity. It's very, very pity. Right now, I heard it is a pity. Let's pray for Kenyans who are fallen victims of that. Huh? Let's pray for Kenya. And it is all over the country from what I'm seeing. Because first they were saying it is in Syokimau around 360 estate. But now I'm seeing it everywhere. Even in Athi River, even in Kasarani, even in Thika Road. Thika Road and Kasarani, they're almost the same. And it is everywhere. What about the ones in this side of town, of the city? Yeah, because there is someone somewhere who failed his duty. Guys, what remedy? How can we help these people? How can the government help these people? These are people who have been very, very obedient, and they are patriotic to their country, working very hard, and also trying to develop themselves, working for the government or doing some business and developing themselves. What can you do for them? Okay, we'll pray. We are going to pray. And I am praying, and I cry while praying. What remedy? So guys, it's a question mark that is still in my heart. Yeah, as I sit here where I am. So, I think we should get, how do we, even our opinion, even if we aired our opinion, you're taking it to where? Let's just remember these people in prayer, and if they come to you like the one who came to me, yeah, you give them assistance, but it is short-lived. They cannot live in your house forever. Yeah? Guys, what are we going to do? And what are Kenyans going to do? Yeah, we need to wake up. We need even to air our views so that those who are responsible in the government, may wake up. Yeah, it is not just for self, it is for the welfare of every Kenyan, everywhere. Yeah, there is a cry, a huge cry, and I'm crying. So guys, let's think about our fellow Kenyans. Hello guys. Yeah, the problem I have here, I want to wash this duvet. I'm placing it in this manual, it will enter. It is so full that it cannot wash it. So I'm taking it out. I'm trying, then I'll try with this other machine, the automatic one. So guys, I'm in a problem. Advice, because this duvet, I've used it for more than 2 months. So now with the crisis, and I can't wash it with my hands. It's so big, and I don't have money for the laundry. So guys, I'm removing it again. It is even shaking the machine. It's so heavy. Guys, I don't have money for the laundry, and I wanted to do manual laundry for this duvet. So I think, yeah, I've got a clue. Guys, I have a clue. I now have a clue. I'll go and wash it manual in my bathtub, where I can even use my legs, my feet. Yeah, I'm going to wash it using my feet because my hands are too tiny to wash it clean. So I'll just be stepping on it. Not stepping, I don't know what language to use. Use my feet just to cleanse it. You will see what I'll be doing. Just stay tuned. Yeah, I'll wash the duvet. I'll wash it in the bathtub. I'll be getting some water from outside or from the tap in the bath. Then I wash it. That's the only solution. I'll use my feet. Guys, see what I've resorted to. I think I should remove everything now, because it will not be easy. I cannot even use my hands to do it. It's so big. Yeah? It is a huge, a massive. Yeah. So I'll use my legs now, guys. Yeah, you will see how I will do it. Keep on watching, guys. Yeah, I'm draining the waters now. Just draining the water. Then I'll pour another water and another. Yeah. After it has drained, just pour water. Yeah. I clean it again and again. And then I'll go and air it outside. Guys, you have to use wisdom, techniques. Yeah? God has given us wisdom. I'm using my own wisdom. Stay tuned. See, the water has drained. Yeah, it's almost draining. Yeah. Then we'll pour another water. we'll close here with this. Then we pour another water. This, guys, you have to have technique. Not all the time you will have money to take your whatever clothes to the laundry. Yeah? And especially for heavy ones like the blankets and the duvet like this one. So now we are pouring another water. Yeah, you pour, but this one is not even enough. I love to add some more. Yeah, until the water covers it. I'm adding another. And another. I told it is heavy and it needs a lot of water. Yeah, nice. Will you use the resources you have? Me, I use the resources I have. So that you rinse it thoroughly. And then after that, I'll now drain the water, because I cannot squeeze it because of the thickness of this duvet. So what I'll do, after the water, I've put enough water and it has rinsed, then I will just drain the water and leave it in the bathtub for hours so that it drains. Then when it becomes a bit light, put it in a big basin. Then after that, then I'll put it on the line outside to dry. Yeah, just stay tuned. I also use softener. These are softener. Yeah. I'm draining it once more. It's hectic, guys. Don't try this at home. Your energy will have gone. But you utilize what you have. Because, yeah, you need to be clean. Your beddings need to be clean. Your duvets. And it does not matter whether you have money or not. Because if there is water, you will clean them. And soap if you have. Yeah. So one day when God blesses you with money, you'll go to take them to the laundry. To the bigger laundry. Where you pay money. Guys, I'm tired. But then, I thank God at least I've tried what I could. So stay tuned, guys. Yeah, this is the basin I'll use. Especially when it has drained. Right now I cannot carry it to this basin because it is too heavy because of what I drain once. And if it would rain, yeah, for some hours, and then is when I transfer it to the basin. Yeah, guys. Now, guys, it is now drained and it's a bit light after hours. Now, I'm putting it in the basin, but it's still heavy. Now I take it outside. Guys, I've managed at last. Yeah, I've managed. Yes, guys, I've been washing clothes, washing my duvet, and now I've finished. I'm just washing the dishes. The cups that we use for breakfast. And guys, let's continue loving each other, advising each other, and watching and subscribing. And let's stay in love, in full support, unity, and yes, we'll always be there for each other. We are brothers and sisters. Yes, welcome again in my next video. Be blessed. Bye.